Welcome. Here are 8 daily habits that will drastically improve your life. Very often, what stands in the way between your journey to success and you is you, your mindset, your habits, your action, and your attitude. And it is only when you fully grasp the notion that we are what we repeatedly do that you begin to understand. So here are 8 daily habits you can integrate that will drastically improve your life. They will make you more self-aware, more productive, and increase your energy levels and focus. Number 1. Putting your phone on airplane mode before going to sleep. Do you know what the best feeling to wake up to? 0 notification, 0 calls, 0 messages, nothing you have to attend to. According to studies, about 80% of smartphone users click their mobile devices within 15 minutes of waking up each morning. If you are one of those, you need to stop. Checking your phone first thing after waking up increases your stress level and primes your brain for instant distraction. More importantly, it automatically sets you in a reactive state instead of a proactive one. Your brain becomes overwhelmed with information. Putting your phone on airplane mode will end this vicious circle. You will wake up stress-free and distraction-free. Number 2, meditating every morning. Build the habit of starting your morning with a 15-minute meditation session, and you will notice a considerable difference in your mental energy. On the days that you do meditate, you have set the tone for the day. Train yourself to focus your attention and be in control of your mind. It will help you find calm and clarity, while also allowing you to strengthen your attention span on tasks that come after in the day. Meditation has a lot of benefits, but what you will love about daily practice is that in a world of distracting noise and chaos, you begin your day mentally focused and emotionally calm. Number 3, stretching every morning. Stretching is a great way to stay in shape, become more flexible, and release sore muscles. It also helps relieve stress, anxiety, improve digestion, soothe headaches, and improve your overall health. Stretching first thing in the morning has a calming effect on your body. One of the main components of stretching is breathing. It's important to focus on your breath. Take deep inhales and exhales to relieve stress. It helps relieve tension and relaxes your muscles, ultimately resulting in a calmer emotional state. Stretching promotes faster recovery and helps prevent injury. Stretching in the morning helps your muscles perform better for the day ahead. Reports published indicated that stretching increases trunk flexibility as well as flexibility about the knees, hips, shoulders, and ankle joints. After your morning meditation, roll out your mat and stretch your body. Sometimes you do a variety of yoga poses. Sometimes you do a foam rolling session. What matters is that you are giving your body a chance to wake up and breathe. Number 4, practicing gratitude 1 line per day. Opportunities, relationship, even money flows my way when I learn to be grateful no matter what happens in my life. Oprah. As with anything in life, you become a grateful person with practice. The best method that will work for you is 1 line per day. Every night before going to bed, open your journal and ask yourself, what am I grateful for today? Then proceed to write 1 line in your journal. That's it, and this habit will help you go to bed in a much positive state. The beauty of this exercise, you will look back over the years and find 365 things you are grateful for. That's called abundant living, and isn't that a life worth being thankful for? Number 5, writing every day. You will become more productive, self-aware, and disciplined person because of the habit of writing daily. So my advice is this: write every single day. Write to yourself, open a journal and reflect. If you don't know how to write, try writing down 1 line per day, then 2, then 3, and 4. Writing will give you a purpose. Use your words to share your experiences, encourage others to pursue their calling, and help people lead more fulfilling lives. Writing will give you more clarity. Write your goals in your journal every month and reflect on their progress every week. Writing will help you cement what you read and learn. In writing out concepts and ideas, you internalize them better. This is called the generation effect, a concept that states we learn what we read when we write it down. Number 6, habit tracking. Consistency is the key to achieving and maintaining momentum. Whatever you want to achieve in life, there's only one thing that will get you there: consistency. What's the best way to stay consistent? Habit tracking is the act of tracking your habits so you can measure your progress as you work towards creating sustainable change. Check the description of this video to download an empty template you can use to track your daily habits. Simply fill out the list of habits you want to track for the given month, and anytime you do take an action towards it, mark X in the box. Your goal is not to break the chain of X. Track the following daily habits: meditation, stretching, writing, reading, and exercising. Number 7. Living slowly. Don't spend your 20s living fast and chasing happiness. Don't set unrealistic goals. Don't push yourself too hard and eventually hit burnout. Make a decision and tell yourself, I will stop living fast, I will start living slow. Living slowly means listening to your body and giving it the rest it deserves. It means sleeping 8 hours a night. It means not forcing yourself to go exercise if you are tired. It means refusing to reach a level of exhaustion. You can build a habit of living slowly only when you begin to see what can only be felt with the heart. Living slowly means not rushing your mornings, but rather waking up earlier to enjoy your slow start to your day. It doesn't mean being lazy. It means actively working towards your goal one day at a time, one small step at a time. Living slowly means living without self-inflicted pressure. You can build a habit of living slowly only when you begin to see what can be felt with the heart. The music in the sounds of the chirping birds, the joy of sitting around a dinner table with your friends, and the beauty of a sinking sunset. Number 8. 30 minutes exercise sessions. Take care of your body is the only place you have to live. Sometimes you are lazy, sometimes you are tired, sometimes you are not in the mood, and on those days you may not exercise. But as with any habits mentioned above, do your best not to break it more than twice in a row. The most important thing is to move every day. On weekdays, go to the gym for 30 minutes workout session. On the days that you don't, go for a 10 minutes walk around the block. On the weekends, you should go on a natural stroll through the park. The habit of exercise will keep you healthy far into your life. It is scientifically proven to be instant mood booster and stress reducer. In fact, it helps you stop overthinking. So whatever you decide to do, keep moving. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime we drop a video. Keep getting better daily and have a nice day.